Hi, good evening, everyone. Let's have a look at question of the day. It says function g and h are given to you. Gx is this and hx is this. The composite function g into hx will be. Okay. So let's try to solve it. Gx is given as root of x minus 1. Hx is given as x square plus 1. G hx. This is what it says. This is going to be nothing but g of hx, which means that inside the g function, you have to put in the hx function. So hx function is what, beta? Hx is x squared plus 1. So this is going to be g of x squared plus 1. So this is going to be, instead of x in the g function, you have to put x squared plus 1. So instead of this, I should be putting x squared plus 1 minus 1 under root. So this is going to be x square plus 1 minus 1 under root, x square under root. This is going to be plus minus x. This is going to be plus minus x. Is this clear? Okay. So the question is asking, will it be x? Will it be mod x? Will it be root x? Will it be none of the above? So when we look at GOF, in this case GOH, GHX, we see that it comes down as root of x squared, which is nothing but plus minus x. And plus minus x is nothing but mod of x. When you open mod of x, you're going to get x when x is greater than 0 and minus x when x is less than 0. Right? Am I making some sense to you? So in that case, you can just say that this is simply going to be mod of x, right? Another way of thinking about it, if you don't want to go via this technique, is that beta, whenever we find out the root of x square, root of a squared number, it always should give you positive value. The root of a squared number should always give you positive value. So in that case, if we were to go ahead and write, because I only want positive values out of it, I want to make sure that I have the answer as mod of x, because I want my answer in the positive value. That's an easier way to understand if you want to, because if I have, so this is what mathematical rule is, that if I'm finding the square root of a squared number, I cannot put a negative answer to it. It has to be a positive answer, right? So therefore, the answer to this will be mod of x. Okay, beta, please write down the question for the day. So it's a very interesting question. It says that the graph of two equations, y is equal to dx square plus bx plus c, and y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, such that a and a, let's make this small a, such that a and a have different sign and quantity b square minus 4ac and b square minus 4ac are both negative. A intersect at 2 points, B intersect at 1 point, C don't intersect, D none of the above. Try to think about this kind of question. Try to also think that b square minus 4ac is actually the value of the determinant, right? It's actually the value of the determinant. And it wants that small a and a will have different sign. But it also wants that b square minus 4ac and b square minus 4ac should be negative. Should be negative, right? And then it is asking you which of the following is true. So think about it. It's very easy question actually. Just use your determinant knowledge and try to solve this question. Okay, thank you.